everyone, welcome to Sandy La Pastelera. It's almost Christmas, so today we're going to make a very special and traditional Christmas cake. Let's go to the recipe. For this recipe, you're going to need the following ingredients: 230 grams of butter, 400 grams of sugar, 1 kg of raisins, 63 grams of dates, 14 grams of bicarb, 500 milliliters of boiling water. For the process of this recipe, we are going to start melting our butter in a pot. After the butter is melted, we are going to add the raisins, the dates, the sugar, the boiling water, and the bicarb. We are going to bring it to the boil, and then we are going to simmer for 20 minutes. After the 20 minutes, we are going to leave it to rest overnight. After waiting the whole night for our mix to rest, we are going to do the next process of the recipe. And to do this, we are going to need the following ingredients: 250 grams of brandy, 4 eggs, 560 grams of all-purpose flour, 100 grams of cherries cut in pieces, half a tablespoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of allspice, and a pinch of salt. After we have weighed all the ingredients, we are going to add the mix that has rested the whole night. We are going to add it into a big bowl, and then we are going to add the brandy a little bit by little bit and mix it all together. In another bowl, we are going to mix half of the flour with the spices. We are going to mix all of that, and then we are going to add to the previous mix. We are going to mix it all together, and then we are going to break the eggs one by one in a bowl. We are going to whisk it lightly. We are going to mix it all together until it's nice and combined, and then we are going to mix in another bowl the rest of the flour with the salt. We are going to add it into the mix. We are going to mix it with a spoon until it's all combined. And for the last step, we are going to mix the cherries with the baking powder. And once we have done that, we are going to add it into the big mix, and we're going to mix it and mix it and mix it until it's all combined. Once we have our dough ready, we are going to put it into our molds. Our Christmas cake dough is ready, so now we are going to use these 2 big molds and 2 small molds. We are going to line them with butter and flour, and they are going to look like this. And then we are going to weigh them equal portions in the big ones and equal portions in the small ones. We are going to preheat the oven at 120 degrees Celsius. Like you see here, we have put our Christmas cake dough in the mold. So now we are going to bake the small ones for 45 minutes and the big ones for 2 hours. After we have baked our cakes, we are going to let them cool completely, and then we can unmold them. Our Christmas cakes are ready and they have cooled down, so now we can unmold them. We have finished unmolding our cakes, so now we are going to decorate our Christmas cakes. And to do this, we are going to add a little bit of icing sugar into a sieve like this one, or you can use whatever sieve that you have. And we're going to use this type of stencils to give them a special touch, and we're going to decorate them with some cherries cut in pieces. Our Christmas cakes are ready, so now we can enjoy them. If you want to keep your Christmas cake for Christmas, you have to cover them in wax paper and then in foil paper, very tight, and then you can put them in an airtight container and keep it until Christmas. Thanks very much for watching this video. I hope you like it and enjoy it. Please press like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos. Bye!